Hello prospectors! In this video I'm going to show you how to craft the charging station in Icarus. Over on the tech tree you can find this device called Charging Station in the Tier 4 section. The device will need 10 electronics, 8 concrete mix, 18 steel screws, 6 glass, 65 copper wire, and finally 10 aluminium ingots. When it comes to making glass, you can simply just place a silica ore inside a furnace, and it will just smelt it down into glass. The electronics can be made with both copper and gold wires. These can be made simply just by using copper and gold ingots. Organic resin can be made in the mortar and pestle for a piece of wood and oxite. For the epoxy, you can make this with the use of crushed bones or the recipe that uses sulfur and tree sap. I'd recommend the crushed bones one since it's cheaper and renewable. To make steel screws, you simply just need a steel ingot, just like the wires that I mentioned. But first, let's know how to make steel. To make steel ingots, you're going to need to make the steel bloom. There's multiple recipes for this, so you can choose whichever one you want that suits best for you. All you have to do is craft the steel bloom and then just shove it into a concrete furnace or a higher tier furnace. Give it some time until it turns into a steel ingot. For the concrete mix, you just have to make it inside the concrete mixer and make sure as well to attach it to the water network that's being provided with water by a water pump. You can make concrete mix with the use of tree sap, stone and silica ore. There's another recipe that only uses crushed limestone and tree sap, but I've never found limestone before, so I'm using the other option. It will take a while to make, so make sure to make these in bulk in case you want to make use of the concrete mix in the future. With all the material processing out of the way, you can make the charging station. From the name itself, this station will charge up any portable appliance that you have that has a built-in battery in them. Just make sure to connect it to your grid, and then just place down a chargeable tool that you have inside the station to charge it up. And that's about it on how to craft the charging station in Icarus.